Hi, and welcome to CodeSiddiq. This isn't just another coding channel. It's something real, something raw, and something I've created to share my journey as a self-taught developer. You won't find me acting like a coding guru. Because truth is, I'm learning too. But what you will find here is honest coding. I'll share the projects I'm building. I'll take you behind the scenes. From blank screens to full apps. Every line of code, every bug I struggle with, every small win I celebrate, you'll see it all. Whether it's a simple to-do app or a complex full-stack project with authentication, APIs, and databases, I'll document it step by step. No shortcuts, no fake success stories, just real, hard-earned experience. I'll show you how I break things, how I fix them, how I learn as I go, and how you can learn by watching me figure things out, not as a teacher, but as a coding partner. So if you're someone who's learning to code, or looking for motivation from someone who's in the same boat, then you've found your place. This is CodeSiddiq, and this is not just a channel. It's a developer's journey, a real one, in public. So hit that subscribe button, and let's build something awesome, together.